So now, we have limits on radical expression. So yung problem natin dito is limit of square root of x plus 2 where x approaches 4. So before that is ilongkat muna natin siya. Limit of x plus limit of 2. Then, i-substitute natin yung value ng x which is 4. So, palitan natin to ng 4. So, simply, that is square root of 4 plus 2. So, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So, therefore, our final answer is square root of 6. So, next is we have limits on rational expression. So, now our problem is limit of 3x plus 2x raised to negative 1 over x plus 4x raised to negative 1 where x approaches 0. So, ang gagawin natin dito is ifo-factor natin. Kasi kapag sinubstitute lang natin yung 0 sa mga value ng x is magiging 0 over 0 siya. So, undefined. So, paano ang factor natin dito? So, first is kokopyahin muna natin yung limit of 3x. And then, same goes to baba, which is limit of x. So, paano gagawin natin dito sa 2x raised to negative 1? So, 2x raised to negative 1. Saan ba nakatutok yung exponent natin na negative 1? Sa variable natin na x. So, ihiwalay natin yung coefficient natin na 2. Ihiwalay natin siya 2. So, ang next dito is yung x raised to negative 1 is magiging 1 over x siya. So, next is 2 times 1 is 2. So, magiging next natin dito is plus limit of 2 over x. Same goes din dun sa baba, which is yung 4x raised to negative 1. So, magiging 4 over x siya since magiging 4 times 1 over x. So, limit of 4 over x. Yan yun. Then, next step natin is i-multiply natin siya sa x over x. Then, delete muna natin itong dito sa taas. So, 3x times x is 3x squared. Then, 2 over x times x is 2x over x. So, 2x over x. Maka-cancel yung dalawang x. So, ang magiging sagot na lang natin is 2 plus 2. Tagal natin yan. Then, next is sa baba naman. X times x is limit of x squared. Then, 4 times x is 4x over x is 4. Plus 4. Yan. Plus 4 siya. Next is, ilongkat na ulit natin. Tanggalin na natin to. So, limit of 3x squared plus limit of 2 over limit of x squared plus limit of 4. So, next natin dito is i-substitute na natin. So, tanggalin ulit natin itong nandito sa taas. So, 3. Ang value ng x natin is 0. So, 3 times 0 squared plus 2. Tanggalin muna natin itong dito sa baba. Over 0 plus 4. 0 squared plus 4. So 0 squared is simply 0. That is simply 0. So 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 over 0 plus 2 over 0 plus 4. That is 2 over 4. Wait lang. So, ang sagot natin dyan is 2 over 4. So, kapag simplify pa natin yan is magiging 1/2 siya. So, therefore, our final answer is 1/2.
So, for naman, meron naman tayong problem na limits ng polynomial expression. So, yung problem natin dito is limit of x cubed minus 8 over x minus 2 where x approaches 2. So, kapag substitute lang natin itong 2 dito sa mga x natin is magiging 0 over 0 siya, which is undefined. So, kailangan natin siyang factor using the simple division. So, before that, is continue natin yung coefficient itong dalawa sa numerator and iwalay natin yung numerator sa denominator. So, our numerator is x cubed minus 8. So, ano ba yung coefficient nila? Ang coefficient nila is 1 and negative 8. And then, meron silang 2 terms pa sa gitna, which is 0 and 0. So, saan nagaling itong 0 and 0? So, in cubic expression is meron tayong 4 terms, which is the ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. So, dito sa problem natin, is meron lang tayong first term and last term. So, yung second term natin and third term ay walang value. So, simply 0 sila. So, dito naman, meron tayong tinatawag na synthetic group. Doon natin pinumultiply itong apat ito. So, ano ba yung synthetic group ng part ito? Para makuha yung synthetic group is kailangan natin maghanap ng value na pwede natin i-substitute sa x and then kapag sinimplify natin at minus natin dito sa 8 ay magiging 0. Pero dito naman sa problem natin is meron na tayong value ng x which is 2. So, i-double check lang natin. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. Then, 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. So, therefore, tama to. Pwede natin siyang gawin as our synthetic. Ang synthetic natin is 2. So, first is, i-bring down muna natin yung 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Bring down natin. 2 times 2 is 4. Then, bring down natin. 4 times 2 is 8, which is 0. So, para naman natin malalaman sa part ito kung tama yung sagot natin. Dapat yung constant natin or yung last term natin ay mag-equal sa 0. So, ano naman is i-factor natin sila. Dito naman, x minus 2. X is equals to 2. So, ililipat natin yung 2 dito sa x. So, positive kapag nilipat mo sa kabila is magiging negative. So, magiging x minus 2 siya. And then dito naman is 1. So, magiging x squared lang siya. Plus 2x plus 4. And then sa baba, yung denominator natin dito is yung x minus 2. So, cancel, cancel. And then, x squared plus 2x plus 4. Dito na natin isa-substitute yung 2 natin. So, substitute tayo. Two times 2, or 2 squared is equals to 4. Then 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So, 4. Plus another 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, and plus 4 is equals to 12. So, yung sagot natin dito sa limits on x cubed minus 8 over x minus 2, where x approaches 2, is equals to 12.